I see. Regarding that, do you think Imran Khan versus Nawaz Sharif, who do you think has a better
I think
shot?
it's a better one is the Imran Khan, because Nawaz Sharif, he stole the money. They involved in a corruption. They was in a prison. They run from there. Now they are living in a London, properties, buying this and that. Imran Khan is the best leader who is living there, who have no any properties, any money steal, nothing, any kind of anything like his involvement with the stealing money, this and that. But they were big corrupt, like still they are ruling, his brother ruling in Pakistan. They are still doing corruptions, getting money from IMF, still stealing. Same situation, put people in a prison as well, and same like people love Imran Khan basically. Which one they are not accepting.
Wow. What is the current situation on the case that you currently have going on about the